watch wishing.
Boss, me patch, I don't need any deal, me patch, so smart, me patch, me go from American, and patch, one more bra, with him or Ghana, and be him Sofiano, and what I'm a patch of Ubiano, catch me patch, me quite choice of
Pisano man in Trinity, a dear pan or yeah.
Me patch, I need you, me patch, I have a boss, do me fan to me, I know the dinner, and the body and patch, I don't do ya, or if you mean Sofiano, Drama, over to you.
That's a man in Trinity. Your opinion will your opinion will free. Oba prison baby your opinion in paying for a day. Oh, now suddenly nim at the hour, yeah, what I can't want the yen I am for a dear potato in the bar.
Me patch, I don't do some bread as a patch of sort here. Was he opening over room, and I'm patch what I'm opening also a day, or woofy, some bread as a good swam, say, Kanswa, Nama patch what I'm a dear body of Param patch what I'm a American so that will be pierced away after answer.
What are you saying? Like, are you a twister? What are you doing? Are you rapping or what?
I'm not a twister, I'm twisters.
What is twisters?
Yeah.
So what is he saying? Like, I don't give a fuck what he's saying. I can't hear anything.
Me patch, I don't do. My boss just told me say I should ask you where do you what do you told the English boss the English don't come on.
But try to come.
I should try to come.
Yeah.
And me patch, I don't do. Said was me patch, I need your quarters. Hey, me patch, me come patch.
Let's get me patch.
Yo, you can't talk to me personally. I don't know what he's saying. So if you want to talk to me, talk to me. Don't tell him to tell me anything.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Get the fuck out of here, man. Bitch ass nigga.
What are you doing to me?
I'm patch what am I?
20 in Quanon.
Me patch on this what am I patch.
Folly. Ask you.
Okay, back.
So, why do you call me? What do you need from me?
I call you just like you be my brother.
You want me to be your brother? You been acting weird, like you been acting bossy, like you want to do something with me. So
listen, I know you are from America, right? You American people? Or?
Yeah, I'm from America. I was born and raised in America.
I know you're from America. You born you in America. So what are you doing? You're taking you here.
Say it again.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Are you trying to tell me why am I here? Like that?
Listen. Let's take inside. Why am I here?
You here? I'm
talking
about me.
Yeah.
Oh shit, bro. Listen, speak your language. I can listen to you a little bit, but when you be like, don't try to talk like me. You can't be like me. So
why you be here?
Okay.
Why you?
Okay. You wanna know why I'm here in Ghana,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, I wanna know.
Oh, okay. So it's a very long story, but I'm gonna make it very short for you to understand what I'm saying. So I met this lady online, right?
You met?
I met somebody online. Yeah. Her name is AWURAMA. AWURAMA, yeah. So we've been chatting for a while, and she told me she wanted to see me. So I decided to come and see her here in Ghana. But fortunately, when I got here, she had a boyfriend, which I didn't know anything about it. So the guy and me have a confrontation, and he was trying to.
So the girl, what's his name?
AWURAMA.
You meet AWURAMA?
Yeah, I met her online.
Online?
There was this guy called SOBOLO. SOBOLO.
SOBOLO is a drink?
No. The guy's name is SOBOLO.
Okay.
Yeah, so he introduced me to AWURAMA. And okay, are you okay? What?
Talk.
Okay, so SOBOLO introduced me to AWURAMA, and we start talking online, and I decided to come here and see AWURAMA myself. So when I get here in Ghana, AWURAMA has a boyfriend, and the guy was trying to like have argument and confrontation with me. So I smoked him off, and now I'm here in jail. Yeah.
That is a who she again online.
Yes. Yep. Yeah.
Now, when again I sit them on say.
That's what I'm saying. We've been talking. I've been sending her money off and on. She needs something to tell me.
So the girl betrayed you?
Well, I didn't say she betrayed me. Like she was trying to play games with me. Yeah, she was trying to play me and the other guy here in Ghana.
What champion or what?
What is the champion?
Champion like he taking some another boyfriend.
Yeah.
That's what I tell you, man.
I don't know what champion means. So if you say champion, I don't know what.
Somebody said champion, then he take another boyfriend.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So that was the issue, and the guy was trying to fight with me. In America, we don't fight. We use our gun to talk. So I just smoked him off. and now I'm here in jail. Yeah, they gave me only 4 months here, so.
Sure. You're Romando.
No, I'll be leaving here very soon. I'll be going back to the state.
Into what me do a beach free. I'm free America. I'm be doing again in between watching through the abon.
No, I didn't shoot AWURAMA. I shoot AWURAMA's boyfriend, the guy that AWURAMA was trying to play me with. That's who I shot.
That's AWURAMA in the one in Amho.
Yeah.
And one fan of Hoodie.
What's his family hoodie?
Like something like freedom.
Yeah, AWURAMA has his freedom, yeah.
She hasn't freedom?
Yeah, she has freedom, yeah.
And you two having problem?
I'm here with you. You're trying to bully me here. I just don't want to do things I do outside here because you think you're the boss here, but I can smoke you off too when I go outside. So you don't want to mess with me too. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I'm here.
Okay. So you can go.
Alright. So what's your name again?
Budidi.
Budidi,
yeah.
Like what? Like Budidi. But the other officer told me your name is what he said your name is Cartoon, like something like Cartoon.
Oh yeah, you can call me Cartoon, you can call me Budidi.
Okay, so Budidi Cartoon.
Yeah. So now you know my name, right?
Yeah.
Hi man.
You know my name too?
No.
I'm Ken.
Ken.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yes sir. Yes sir. So one day you come and visit me in the state. Will you come to the state?
Don't worry, man.
Alright.
I gotta go, man.
So now we're friends, right?
Yeah.
You're not gonna bully me no more?
No more
bullies?
No more bullying, man. But if you make a mistake, then I'll bully you, man.
You know I'm not scared of you, right? No, come on, chill, man.
Shut the fuck out of here, man.
Shut up.
Nintia ne binom kra nim say ye ka prison. I no bunim say ha na simple sana. Oti America timi edi wo ba chi saa be pie Ghana. Na wo ba ha na wasia ne ntu bi so oba no na nko ne na mo no ne na mo kwa. Atimi hey. Say me da me rape here. Onin sa 4 months no be ko wo be demu acha rough. Hey. Ninti mama na na mo wabloche na mo ne ma ne kasa wa ne ntubi so ba no oni bo he oba bu wa ne boy ja ne ntin no de phone na pie obi so ne boy ne ye baako he akwa no be demu ache brutal
Mapon. I feel a miracle. Watch it. Watch it. I mean, I feel a miracle now. We be background, son of a mapo. My train wa. You didn't see me in best. No, I'm saying 5 to fear. I feel a miracle. Not much about here. Oh, Tom Cole. Oh, Nasa, Paho, 2 hours more. Or no credit. And Ra. Problem being seen. Says it. Problem here. Drum the problem, no problem. See, I think I can't say, and I will be catching. But I send them code it. Nina say a boga. And no what's nasty. And then, me say a officer's not a dinkomo. I say, we said that year, me hotel me ye call. Who inside. And no time bena, ye more a domano, uko ye, bogano, a man could do. And when I say I'm more dominant, and ye almost walk. Say, Officer Kumi. And inspector what's one more doing como say, what could ye, Aquarano, Bogano, and Nakako did that young more dog. I was shame no, and I walk could you know, it's almost to walk who push ye or no, madam. And you should media no, but say one, I'm so semi-far. There be Kuminos, one more say, what could ye Bogano. At time I am more domano in the inside. I'm not me in 30 minutes of weapon and about tomorrow. Not 30 minutes of Nana 30 minutes at time. Nipa new complaining, but they as a boy and won't free gun when you gun any. What's our was? We also patient and near Omatina. enti sese no nke se panyi bi afrɛ wa o se no oyare
masa me de kumi ohwe ye o
de hwe ho so ye
kumi ohwe ye adwuma ye no obi ye na adwuma na se na ni same sa hare na ntima ko bi na ko di ono ye na se me
adwuma no sebio enya papa dia enya me so me papa dia
aba adwuma
na ye se wo ama aban no
ana boy ne ko me dika se boy no ye American citizen obi of America o ye America ni de what chini bi America ban hu se bi ko wa ha no se bi ye hwe ni ya because America prison just
no mu
America prison we timi pie kwa crab nyina
no mu
but ha no da no wanti mi kwa crab wanti mi nyawe eti adidie no so na nipa ne sa wo sane ntie ma ne na wo sane nku no
no mu hu mi ana so mu jai
kumi ne me nam se bi ma ko yi na
kwa ko no ne nam ona me me no nti hwe hu ye o ma bon ho po nti nke se panyi bi afro wa adwuma mu a o se no oyare ena ko akoyi no adwuma na se aban adwuma ne ye nyina ye bie ena ye serve ama aban no e de na da bi o mo fo obi ho etena se enura na meje ye enura
e champion fo idi ba ye
ye bom abaso a ye se eche
techewe abaso
ena ko ji efri akra ba yo na eni o
ase eni kura ba difference bi eni
eni eno anom de ama me me ne dey ye se bo akọ eni
enti wo ba nya sa wo kasa ya me ho ti hu sa
de am de ma me ni
e champion fo de ba abaso ni
we
ye bom aboti adwuma we mu no
o me fa me ho adwen
20 million say Jennifer no kodi de keka na je na wo de treat ni ye keka wo so wonye masa ma me kasa adwuma we na ye tie me adwuma ina obi papa de wo ene nya obi ama be de nya obi abusu adwuma e ya ba adwuma enti ye na wo ye no wo ye se ne be ya wo so da che that mo be de e be to what boy na mu am ko yi am ni ko di unu sko de ma me ko yi ndi ko di unu sko o ma 40 million say wo to be ye say bra 40 million sie nyansa na enni boy na chi ni paiti mi mam sika sa me famra wo de ba ena me nye ena me de be officer wo officer say hwan asa woni na o
se de o ma bon ho po hwe
o mbesane so mo bon mbesane
de o ye bia na so mo me se kumi kura de me nim de o ne no twaka bia o ne no wa se de hwe wa yo mba me yi wadi
mi nko pension ma book mi abubu na gu fo me na me ka
hwe yi
ma book mi agya adwuma
me ka
adwuma ye no wo kumi wo hwe so nyi adwuma o asidi meye bia ede kumia no adai
onim de ono sa boga ne de ma wa office mu a ono timi be frɛw be yese ma me ni wa ba be yi no nipa na ye mo adom akra
se me ko adwuma o di nkwase se mo adwuma ho se me ko office mani ni nkwase se
pa na omo mpe wa se
adai
de me ka kyerɛw
mate wo de se akoko night o
me bo night me ko
eche ya na sha de night
me si me dwedwedwa me ho no ma mo bo parade say ye be bo apaso ma ba be jina anim ho no e de na ye de ma me a goi
na be so hu no first kwa na so e kura ba
na be kra de name wa na be si na we de no si e cha say o ma ya aba no say dia akra mpanyimfo na ehye na so wei
o da bi mi
mo de bo ma ba so a
nkan panyi bi ahye bi
che wei that's the idea mu mu ye wa dwuma mu ho kra
o say apaso ba de
anyway brade ehye me kra
sa wa se calendar
mpo toy pan ma se bisi e de share me a me gina prison prison for nanima ma yesi say ya o
omunyo mbesere
omunyo be sere wa akire
e na wujo no mo sere o akire for na esere na
akire for me gina no mo sere me
e na what who are you laughing
and I'm say hey stop laughing
hey
afa de omu gina omu hwe manim sa na me
o kan bro say
ya na me kan say bia me yin ba ko na say omu bo ma ba so
and then you break record
na me any day
wo so bedroom if you say bedroom beto me ko be 15 years me nti so ka bro for that
man ka de man me jai
ade
na there be
baby why you adwuma we adu say wo jai no wantimi asifia wa no why you baby why you adwuma wo ta so tie abusuafie me ka kire wo wo de mo adwuma na wala mate wo de me kwa
me do adwuma ni na ma
wo te say ma hwe kumi nso ma nya oh dabi kumi de
ono de me
by the course of today kumi be so me na me ka kire wo mesi se kumi ase ma office wo ma ho business be obi aho ma e ntoso na wo be say me
wo de ye be share wa adwuma m why
kwa na mo fisa mo ba prison ha ahani e be kwakwomo ana se be ye nimba be twa pictures move why ya there ah ho se ka opra no why jana to akwotena kira ha
Can I talk to you for a second? Like, I want to tell you something.
Huh?
I want to talk to you for a second.
Talk to who?
You.
For what?
For a second.
Second?
Yeah.
I don't want to drink.
No, I don't speak tree.
Won't go drink.
No.
Oh, what's shame, boy? What's that daughter I do? You do not go who pass a door to cry. Bring a hand, answer that. Oh, what was the man say? One was say, babe. Sure, Massa, I ain't ya grow. What's on to me, Cassa? What then she was here, but what's the what's in it? What's on to me, Cassa? What are the daughter now? What do you call me back? We don't have to and then or more than you will prison says, I met home. I tell you,
someone will call you. My then I'll call you because I bomb it.
What's that?
You don't know me, understand?
What about me?
Charlie, I did boy have you. What?
Yo, nigga, just get the fuck out of here, man.
No.
Careful, I'll slap you.
Come on, get inside. Get inside.
Get inside.
Get inside.
Oh, Master, I want to stay in any power.
You didn't know Bema.
What?
I question here car watch or
question my two
more babono.
Aye.
Momone. I didn't say. I didn't know say.
My shit.
What's it? What's the way, babe? Nipa, what's the say? Come on, get inside. Get inside.
What's the get inside? Call join it.
One would you know what? What's the man say?
What do you want to hear, Sabian? Why you?
Black.
Black.
Black, you know, to offense.
Plateau.
Hey, hold on. Let's go.
Bra.
See a lock, you know. Come, let's go.
Wow.
Yeah, officer.
You are talking something. I don't understand.
Yeah.
You don't speak Tree?
No, I don't understand Tree.
Where do you come from?
United States of America.
America?
Yeah.
So you come from America?
Yes.
Why are you prison?
It's a very long
Tournament American.
Yeah.
Meaning that?
That's why I want to see you and talk to you so that we can be friends.
Which is the problem? What is the problem? So many plenty problems.
Yeah, so I had an issue with a guy and I shot him and they brought me here.
You right?
I shot him, like I spread him off.
Shock, electric shock.
No, I shot him like gun.
Sack?
Yeah, no, I mean a gunshot.
Fish sack or race sack?
No, like shoot. Yeah, I shoot.
Yeah.
Hey! Yep.
Who
Yeah, I'm not gonna shoot you. You're a very nice guy. I'm not gonna shoot you.
I'm a prison for better shoot me.
Yeah. So.
That's the two.
No.
I have guy. If you joke, I will shoot you.
No, you can't shoot.
You like shooting. If you joke with the prison officer in this prison, he will shoot you.
So.
You come from America, straight from America to shoot somebody. What is the problem?
I had a fight with him. Like we were fighting about.
And you shoot him?
Yeah.
You think here is America? There where you can shoot somebody and go scot free. Yeah, if you shoot somebody, you'll be arrested.
Yeah, that's why I'm here in the jail, like with those kind of bullshit, with like illiterate people. They're trying to bully me off.
Who?
That the name is
yeah. Quiet there. Yeah. Why?
Wait. No. I'm trying to tell you something.
Wait something.
So I want you to be friends with me, and I'm gonna give you some money. I'm gonna help you out. Even when I get out here, I'm gonna help you come to the state. Okay? You're gonna be my friend?
Take it back.
I'm saying I want you to be my friend here in jails here. And
open the door. For which reason? One thing I offense a boss because it's helpful when you be in the I'll talk to you later, okay? Who pie? I'm catch you. Oh, problem.
What is our smarter now?
There you problem they say.
Maybe problem they say.
Officer will be in here, prisoners will be in here.
There you now park on to Sriana.
There be media band.
There be the one they can say.
Mineka there.
I didn't want you know PM.
Oh, officer me tell us one yard will be cassette here. Will be cassette here.
Mate, why?
Now also free to buy no so yard.
What's that?
Who go free to buy no yard.
Now who as a prison officer that does no BS I deal with.
Dibe.
Come on, needing na bijechro. Yes. We are gonna go with your
officer. Obeso.
Mesu say. Cause I had there. My boss a cushion bono. Come get inside.
There be no officer me prisoner na.
Unye prisoner now.
Get inside, officer.
Get inside.
You can't tell me to get inside.
So I should touch you.
Okay, right. Hey, officer, what Jimmy? Officer, don't joke with me.
You always make me laugh.
You always make me laugh.
Make me laugh.
Don't,
Careful.
Don't touch me the stick.
Be very careful.
Careful. You too careful. What? Oh, 4 henches and how many points they need? Officer, how do you ban camera? Officer, hey, hold it. 1 point, Papa.
Remember, but I bet you something.
Hold it. Hey, what's your color?
Yeah.
What's the problem? I told you I have something for you.
Wait something.
Wait and see.
Officer, obey criminal.
No, I want to surprise you.
Timmy, 2 officers, so officers, officer, come, like I'm your children.
You're not my children, so you take this. Okay, this is dollars. It's American money. I told you I'm gonna make you feel comfortable. As long as you make me feel comfortable, I'm gonna make you feel good. Okay? Yeah, I told you. This is US dollars. This is real money.
Where did you get the money from?
You know me, I come from the States. So,
but here it's breezy. Why come you get plenty money for your pocket?
Officer, don't try me. I'm a very crook nigga. You don't
know.
You're
a bad guy.
Yeah, you don't know what I can do. See, now you're gonna be my friend, right?
Oh yeah, I'm your family member, not a friend.
Thank you very much.
Me, I'm Officer Chichiku.
Yeah.
Anything money are they inside.
Thank you.
If it's money, are they inside.
Thank you.
And right now you make me feel like you are my real nigga.
Thank you. That's the word.
Yeah, you're my real nigga.
So you're gonna give your the other officers, you're gonna give them some? Your friends, you're gonna give them some money?
Yeah.
No.
Why are you telling me to give somebody?
I'm just saying so that they all treat me good.
You give me.
Okay.
I'm my choice to give somebody.
Okay.
Not to you to tell me to give somebody.
All right.
I like you.
I like you too.
I like you.
Thank you.
So are you American citizen or you want to stay for America?
No, I'm American citizen.
You are citizen for America?
I was born and raised in America. Yeah.
Wow.
I come from Chicago.
Chicago City?
Yeah.
Oh, then you can know me.
What? Have you been in the state before?
Oh yeah, I've been in the state for a couple of a while.
What was that?
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Yeah, I don't believe my slang.
No, your English is very, very hard.
Yeah, you are my brother.
Thank you. Thank you so much, officer.
Oh, nice. Right now, they are come to bring the zone to me.
I don't want to eat it.
No, don't eat.
Yes.
When they tell them you are
good. Yeah.
Yeah, you are certified.
Okay. No, I'm satisfied.
Yeah, you are satisfied. So I'm gonna prepare a fried rice.
No, I want pizza. It's been a long time I eat pizza.
Over there.
Pizza.
I saw yale.
Oh.
Pizza. Na sikanse na dem so me why the fakoto.
Okay.
I feel like sikana dem want to be the pizza.
No. Anything you give me, I'm going to take it.
So I'll bring you fried rice.
Thank you.
Are you okay with the fried rice?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Me, I'll take care of you.
Thank you.
With this money, we are okay.
I'm also going to promise you, if you keep everything cool with me, I'm going to take you to the States.
America?
Yeah.
America for the boy say, oh whoa.
Oh, I'm for real.
You are a liar.
No, now I'm going to lie to you.
Are you taking me to America?
I will take you to America. I'm going to send you more money too.
I will help you to get out from here.
Thank you. They give me only 4 months.
Listen, idea what you are doing. A pew baby and I'm a tino bianwa. Oh,
what are you saying?
This money, if somebody here for this money.
No. That's why I brought you here.
They are going to jail you again because if somebody here, I'm fired.
No, I'm not telling anybody.
You know, Ghana, we don't take bribe.
I know.
But under, people take.
Okay.
But here, we don't take bribe.
All right.
But now, this money is for me. Don't go and tell anybody.
All right, I got you.
Are you okay?
I got you.
One on your throat.
No. One on your throat is what?
One on your throat means concern.
What is concern?
What's up with?
What is concern?
You don't know concern?
No.
Concern like somebody telling people concern.
Oh, like a backstabbing?
Yeah, backstabbing.
Oh, okay.
Backstabbing.
I ain't telling nobody, no.
You don't backstab me?
No.
If you backstab me, I will increase your month. You go like 1 year.
Listen, officer, I really want to be your friend. That's why I'm giving you this money.
Thank you. I like you.
Thank you. I like you too.
Right. I'll take my leave.
Okay, you should.
I said, go inside. Come on. Get it. I say. Go here.
All right.
Nakwe. Dollars.
we appear we to Yankopon. Quite be a my boy we appear because as I promise America.